recording wine and cider chemistry on a lot in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to track pH, TA, SO2, and more per lot, add a reading, and watch the trends so you catch a problem before it becomes spoilage. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Production, Wine QA Chemistry from your dashboard. This is where you track chemistry on a wine or cider lot. pH, TA, free and total SO2, volatile acidity, malic acid, yan, and malolactic activity, all in one place per lot. Select the lot at the top, and you'll see its most recent values plus the full reading history below. To log a new one, click Add Reading, choose the date, and fill in whatever you tested. You don't need every field every time. Save it, and it drops into the history so you can see the trend. Is TA climbing? Is malic dropping as ml progresses? Is free SO2 holding where you want it? If a value falls outside the range you'd expect, I'll flag it before it becomes a spoilage or stability issue. This chemistry history is what you'll come back to when you're deciding on additions, blending, or whether a lot is ready to bottle.